How to enhance photo quality in Android. Open Google Play Store. Search Remini.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he trolls me. He gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gold, always wanting more. Freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force of party. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you let scars rip. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right.
Give access to your gallery.
Energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's
Upload your
infectious. So
photo.
fight for your life and
Wait for a moment.
You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm
Your
aggressive. 'Cause
photo
when there's
is
no
ready.
exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Click on arrow to save picture. Your photo is saved to your gallery.
He's back and better than ever. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, better do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honestly. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. You locked away inside with the key control, by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. 'Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. When there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.